A few weeks ago, I posted this video from RFK's confirmation hearing for Secretary of Health and Human Services. In it, he states that black people have better immune systems than any other race, which isn't true, and then suggests that black people should have different vaccine schedules. Immediately, there were a lot of comments like these ones. Interestingly, from both people that were black and non-black that did believe that black people have better immune systems than any other race. RFK is now Secretary of HHS and has a lot of power over what happens, so I think it's important to talk about this. My name's Dr. Joel, the Medical Mythbuster, and let's talk about myths about biological differences between race. To start, we first have to understand that race is not a biological category, it's a social construct. That means you can't look at someone's genes and determine what race they are. You can determine their ancestry, but not their race. There is no single black immune system that makes black people stronger or more immune to disease. In fact, the Human Genome Project in 2003 proved that there's more genetic diversity within racial groups than between them. And while it is true that in the study that RFK cited, there was an increase in antibody response in black children that participated in the study, there's a few important things to note. First, only one vaccine was studied, rubella. Second, the immune system is really complex, and no harm was found to any of the patients. Third, researchers found that other markers of the immune system weren't elevated. Extrapolating out that every black person has a better immune system or should receive a different vaccine schedule makes no sense when there could be a myriad of reasons why differences were seen. In fact, Dr. Gregory Poland, the scientist that RFK was referencing in the confirmation hearing, even said that his work was being twisted by RFK. But RFK's statements reflect something larger, a long history of false beliefs about biological differences between black and white bodies. Studies like this one have shown that false beliefs about biological differences between races actually lead to black patients getting less pain medication in the hospital. Up till 2021, there were medical equations that falsely believed that all black patients had better kidney functioning because they had higher muscle mass. That made it harder for black patients to be able to receive kidney transplants. These beliefs help fuel disparities in healthcare and dismiss the real reasons why there's so many disparities between communities of color. What it actually is factors like systemic racism, access to healthcare, and the social determinants of health. So, in summary, no, black people do not have better immune systems than any other race. And RFK incorrectly citing a study as a non-medical, non-scientist who is now Secretary of Health and Human Services fuels vaccine hesitancy and also endangers lives. When we let these myths persist, they don't just distort history, they impact real lives. Be sure to like, share, and follow for more myth busting.